We're here in the Power Lab area of the IABC, and I can't think of a better location to talk to you about the evolution of our HPE partnership. We've spent several years now working together at a hardware and a software level to create what I think are some very unique turnkey solutions. What you see behind me can take IT outside the data center and into harsh and challenging environments like we're in today. Both companies have really led the industry in the development of converged edge systems and integrated management. And what we want to do is to help you understand how we're bringing these capabilities together and how this can help you succeed. Today's evolving commercial and industrial environments, like retail, distribution, communications, manufacturing, along with the explosion of data, require partnerships. And we're working more closely at the field level to help make it easier for you to take advantage of our combined capabilities. The Schneider and the HPE field sales teams are now better empowered than ever before to work together with you in the channel proactively. This allows you to leverage our integrated solutions and our collective tools quickly and efficiently to ensure your success. We're also continuing to innovate and build new as-a-service capabilities with HPE's GreenLake model. GreenLake, coupled with Schneider's modular portfolio, can now allow you to easily combine our offerings as a service, letting your customers manage cash flow and grow into their environments. So at this point, what I'd like to do is bring Aaron Carmen in from HPE and talk more about our unified edge message. Aaron, let's start with some comments from you about HPE's vision for the intelligent edge and how you see our company strategies really coming together.
Thank you, Owen, and it's really a pleasure to be here. HPE has made a significant investment in our edge strategy to the tune of $4 billion. And that edge strategy really reinforces our corporate strategy of providing solutions that help customers operate across the edge, their core data centers, and into the cloud. Now couple that with new solutions centered around data management, which allows a customer to manage the data across the entire continuum and then take all those solutions and provide them in an as-a-service model. This is key to HPE's corporate strategy. Now, one of the investments that we've made is in a new converged edge computing system called the Edge Line. And the Edge Line is centered on providing a convergence point between IT and OT. Now, just imagine all the standard types of computing resources that you'd have in a core data center around compute, memory, and storage. And then these servers provide a ruggedized and more dense form factor to help with edge deployments. They have the same ILO 5 management that allows operators to then go ahead and manage just like their core data centers at the edge. And what makes it unique is the actual PXI slots that many of the servers have. Now this PXI slot, we have over 1,500 different modules that can slide into this PXI slot that provide industrial network expansion like a CAN bus or an engineering instrumentation like an oscilloscope. So that's really where the convergence happens. You can now take a server and converge the engineering equipment all into one, which was always a struggle in the past. We've also made major investments into our security portfolio. What's paramount there is our new silicon root of trust capability, which is an ASIC-based solution that is on the motherboard that's constantly looking at the firmware and making sure that it hasn't been changed. And if there is a change in the firmware, it'll either allow you to restore back to the last good firmware, or it will allow you a myriad of different options of either rebooting or not doing anything at all. But the key there is Marsh, a insurance and risk management company, did an analysis and looked across the industry at all these different cyber solutions, and they designated our silicon root of trust as a cyber catalyst solution. That, with a few Aruba products, made the list, and it really makes our servers the most secure servers in the industry. Another area that we've made major investments in is within our networking portfolio. Now, from a digital transformation, the network is very foundational. And so providing the Aruba solutions that allow for secure, scalable network It's really, really key for that digital transformation and rolling out multiple use cases, as well as taking all these different new solutions and capabilities that we have and rolling those into our GreenLake as a service model. That's really providing a lot of flexibility and a whole new financial model for deploying IT at the edge.